Iaku matu e aku tupuna noho mai rā koutou ki te aroaro o te atua. E taena koutou te whakarite, te whakawāno rere, whakahiki ane, whakanoa nga wehenga tu ngā pito pira, ngā pūhaihai, ngā whakapehapeha, ngā mākutu, ngā heke toto, ngā mahiki no te tangata. Whakawātea ngā huarahi katoa, kia wātea, kia tika, kia ora, kia noa, kia kaha, kia pai. I raro i te hi me te wehi o i o matua kore. Tūturu o whiti whakamaua kia tīna. Haumi e, hui e. Aiki e.
Navigators put whānau at the centre of all the decision making. Essentially you become part of that whānau, so you're walking alongside whānau. You're not doing it at them, for them, you're doing it with them.
We're not there, and the navigators are not there to tell these people what they need to do. They're not there to tell the whānau what's the best outcome, what's the best pathway. They're there to assist the whānau in making that decision themselves as to, hey look, this is the best way for me to move.
As a whānau ora navigator, I work with whānau, and that can be anything from tamariki to our fire, our koro, getting to learn about what their moemoeā is and how we can make that happen for them.
You're walking alongside them, you're understanding the pain, you're involved in their successes, and the rewarding part of it is watching whānau becoming empowered, because they become the masters of their own decision making and outcomes.
We are here to support whānau, to encourage whānau to reach their goals, to reach their potential, to help them think outside the square and to help them to make achievable steps to be able to get to where it is that they want to be.
We are privileged enough to be able to help whānau find wellbeing for themselves, to define it for themselves, to figure out what they can do or what they want to do in their lives that is positive, creates great outcomes for themselves.
I think it's important to have the navigators there because they help discover the correct path. Some people, they'll shut the door on services and agencies when they come a knocking, because a lot of these services and agencies, to our whānau's perspective, come with a bit of a stigma.
You journey with people and you help them, I guess, realise their potential inside of them. Kia utonu ki tērā kōrero e kore au e ngaro e kākano i rui a mai I rangi ātea. When they start to see that potential mana motu hake, that mana that's imbued within them, and they start to realise that value, that self-worth, you see the mauri change. So you go from mauri mate to mauri ora.
It's up to our whānau what they want to do, and I'm there to just support them along the way.
As the good word says, without a vision the people perish. You got to start with their vision. That's it.
Changing the kōrero, I guess, and changing mindsets so that we're able to set up a better future for our mokopuna yet to come.